Welcome to the guide to Axie Infinity Axie Genetics Breakdown. In this tutorial we will explore the basics of Axie genetics and how they impact gameplay. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game where players collect and breed digital creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has unique genetic traits that determine its appearance, abilities, and strength. To start, it is essential to understand the different parts of an Axie's genetics. An Axie's genetics are made up of its body parts, including eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail. Each body part has a specific trait and a corresponding genetic code. The genetic code is represented by a series of letters and numbers that determine the Axies. Characteristics. There are 6 classes of Axies, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. The 6 classes are Beast, Plant, Reptile, Bird, Bug, and Aqua. When breeding Axies, the class of the offspring is determined by the classes of the parents. Understanding the class system is crucial in creating a strong and balanced team. When breeding Axies, players have to consider the genetic traits of the parents. The genetic traits are passed down from the parents to the offspring, with each parent contributing 50% of the genetic material. The offspring inherits the dominant trait from the parents, which can be either recessive or dominant. To increase the chances of getting a desired trait, players can use a process called selective breeding. Selective breeding involves choosing parents with the desired traits and breeding them to increase the chances of passing those traits to the offspring. This process requires careful planning and a deep understanding of the genetics system. In conclusion, understanding Axie genetics is essential in creating a strong and balanced team in Axie Infinity. By grasping the concepts of genetic traits, classes, and selective breeding, players can make informed decisions when breeding and collecting Axies. Remember to always consider the genetic traits of the parents and use selective breeding to increase the chances of getting the desired traits. With practice and patience, players can master the art of Axie genetics and become a top player in the game.